Hello everyone, this is Mr. Unity and today I'll be teaching you how to change your Visual Studio Code theme. So what you want to do is, most probably you won't see this page. So what you'll see is, you'll just see a new file. So you'll see something like this. So what you want to do is, you want to go to File, Window, so you can come back to this page, close this, and you should be able to see this. Okay, so what you want to do is, to change your theme, you want to click on color theme, and over here you shouldn't have so many themes like I do. So I'm currently using Palenight mild contrast, but what you can do is click on install additional themes. Over here it's gonna open up a page in the extensions and you can download a few themes. So for now what I'll do is, I'll use the GitHub, or I can use the shades of purple. All of them I really like. So as you guys can see, here's the shades of purple theme. So let me just install it just to show you. So now you have installed it, it'll already be put on. So yeah, I'll just show you. It's called the shades of purple, of course. So I'll just click on the shades of purple, and now I'll just create a new theme. And the shades of purple is pretty close to the one I have, so let's put some different themes. So if you want to change your theme from the file view, you want to click on File, Preferences, and you want to click on Color Theme, or you can click on Control K, Control T. So just click here and let me choose the red theme. And as you guys can see, now our thing looks really weird. So yeah, what I'll do is, I'll go back here into Edit, Preferences, Color Theme. So yeah, you can choose any of them. So the default, this is the default VS Code theme. So most probably you should be having this. So now I'll just change to the one I like, which is back to color theme. It is the Palenight mild contrast, which is like this, and I think this looks really good. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.